Hi everyone, I have a barbecue tip. Okay, now I'm barbecuing. That's the hamburger, the chicken, and tips for the ribs. Okay, and what I did so that it won't be tough, I cooked it inside the foil. I put a little water, I seasoned it, a little water, and I cooked it inside the foil. And when it get almost done, I open it up and let the steam get to it, get the smoke, so it get smoke on the ribs. There the hamburgers cooking all of them. And let me turn it over so you can see it. How it is. See how I have. See how it's got a little. The flavor right here come. It's boiling in that inside the foil. That way it keeps it from being tough and it cooks faster too. And see how the meat like is coming off the bone. See that? It's not quite done, but it's almost. But see, and then what I'm going to do, I am going to take it out of here when it gets about done. Let it smoke on the grill. Because you see how it's cooking inside with just, the seasoning that came off of here. I put just a little water, then it made its own water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it cook a little bit more. I'm going to take it out, put it on the grill to get smoke. And then once I get the smoke, and then I'm going to let it cook so let's have the barbecue smoked flavor. And then I'm going to put the sauce on it and let it smoke a little more. And then you're going to have some tender barbecue ribs. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of this foil. When I take it out of this foil, once it's finished cooking, when it gets tender, then I'm going to let it smoke a little bit, then put barbecue sauce on it, and let it smoke a little bit again. And there you go, tender rib. So barbecuing chicken right now. As you see, the chicken, I seasoned it first and put it on the grill. Here's the hamburgers. And it's cooking pretty good. I seasoned that too. I seasoned all my meat before I put it on the grill. Okay. So there you go. And the barbecue season is going to be good. Smoking pretty good too. And you know what happened? In order to keep my chicken used to burn quicker. So this is another tip, so please don't turn away yet. Another tip, the chicken burn quicker, so I cook the ribs first, let it get about done. Then I put the chicken on, that way the fire, it kind of not be so hot, and therefore the chicken cooks at a slower pace, not slower, at a regular pace without burning, okay? See, after I get through with this, I am going to take this out. You see? Now, I'm going to put it on the grill with the smoke. And then I'm going to, once it's smoked, I'm going to put barbecue sauce on it. And there you have, we have more tender ribs. It's not all dried out, whatnot. And here's the barbecue chicken, barbecue rib. So put the sauce on there, and there you have it. Barbecue rib that's not dried out.